Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yeah, fine. Good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
So, I think let's wait for some minutes because I think people are joining. Then we'll start the session in few minutes. Meanwhile, everyone have completed the lectures of week 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So today's session is about Solidus for week 6. Okay. So this is the peer day code. Okay. So uh, I think you are aware how to join this. Meanwhile, let me repeat the procedure. So what you have to do, just enter joinpd.com on your browser. Okay. After that, you have to enter this code FSD G M and E. So once you will enter this code, right? So you can see the slides whichever I'm going to present on my screen, and I mean you will be able to enter the answer for each question. Okay. So I will assign some time limit for each question as per the level of the question. Okay. Then you have to solve the questions within that given time limit. You will get some idea how to do the questions within the whether are you able to do the question in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, something like that. Okay. So please everyone join this and do let me know if you have any difficulty how to join this and all. Okay. So procedure is just enter joinpd.com on your browser, either in your phone or desktop, whatever you have right now, and then after that you have to enter the code FSDGME. Okay.
Share the link in the chat.
So 11 of you have joined. Is there anyone who is facing difficulty how to join this and all?
No, sir.
Yeah, so rest of the people please join it fast. Okay. Why is the attendance is that much low? Is there any session going on along with
No,
this?
sir.
No, sir, no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, still very less people are there. No worries. Okay, so Rishabh, for those who are here, please join it. Okay, so that we can start this session. Okay, so rest of the people please join it fast. Okay, so that we can start the session. Okay, so 14 of you have joined. Rest of and do let me know if you have any doubt how to join it. So we'll start the session from 16. Is there any session from 8 p.m. onwards?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Math, maths one, right? If I'm not
Yeah.
Parts 2.
maths two. Okay. Okay, no problem with. So okay, let me start the session. Okay, so those who have not joined it, please join it fast so that you will be able to enter the answer from your end. Okay. So what you have to do, just enter joinpd.com on your browser. After that, you have to enter this code FSDGM and E. Okay. So let me start the class. Okay, so today is about week 6 solver session. Okay. So I will allot some 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, as per the level of question, we'll give you some time limit. Okay. You have to enter the answer. You know, in right corner below, you will see a green face where you have to enter your answer. So as you can see on the top right corner code, this is the code, peer day code. So you can just enter joinpd.com. After that, you have to enter this code. Then you will be able to see that. Okay, this is the very first question. Hopefully, how many of you got the meaning of this selection of digits? I mean, selection of things will occur simultaneous, non-simultaneous, with replacement, without replacement. The order matter doesn't matter. Okay, you got the things from week 5.
No, I
Yes,
didn't
sir.
get it.
Okay. So those who are not get, don't worry. You can rewatch the week 5 also. Okay, let me give you one rough idea. Meaning of simultaneous. Okay, so sometimes see, I mean, people just blindly using the formula permutation and combination. They don't know what's the behind algorithm is going on. So see, suppose I'm saying events are occurring simultaneously. So here meaning of simultaneously in this particular case is, so suppose I'm saying one after the other. Okay. For example, I'm going to create a password of 4 digit. Okay. Then I have to create the password of 4 digits. So it's basically to the and thing is, first I have to create for the first digit, right? And for the second digit, and for the third digit, and for the fourth digit, right? So I have to do for the first, and for second, for and for third, and for fourth, right? So this is meaning, to create a 4 digit password, I have to do the thing selection of digits or selection of alphabets, whatever is there. It will be simultaneous, right? Correct. I have to do the meaning of the simultaneous is this. Okay. Non-simultaneous means, suppose, okay, suppose I'm saying there are two kind of password. Password A, two type of password, and password B. Okay. And I ask you to choose either password A or B. So you can see either I can choose A or B. Then this A or B will be non-simultaneous. Okay. Are you getting some rough idea?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And there is one term called with replacement or without replacement. So with replacement means, I have to suppose I'm saying repetition is allowed. Okay, means I can repeat the thing. Suppose I'm going to create a password of 4 digit or 5 digit, whatever. Then I'm saying repetition is allowed from the digit 0 to 9. That means I can use for the first digit, I can use any of the 10 digit. Then for the second, I can use any of the 10 because I can repeat the numbers, right? Same for third, same for fourth. Yes or no? If I'm saying without replacement, okay. So without replacement means repetition is not allowed. I mean, actually both are the same. These two are the same. Repetition is not allowed. Okay. So repetition is not allowed means, suppose I'm saying, I'm mentioning this condition, repetition is not allowed. That means I have to create four. So for the first digit, how many options we have? 10. For the second,
9,
for the third,
8,
for the fourth. because I'm
7.
saying I can't use the I mean the digit again whichever I have used here at the first place. Then same condition for all. So you can see selection of digits are occurring simultaneously, right? For the first and for the second and for the third and for the fourth. If and is there, I will consider as a simultaneous. And the next one is you have to think little bit whether order matters for that particulars or not. If order matters, I think in week 6 open session we have discussed that if order is matters, then which things I am going to use? Permutation or combination? Yeah,
Permutation.
permutation, right? If order
Permutation.
if order matters, I will prefer to use permutation. If order doesn't matter, I will go for the.
Combination.
Right?
Combination.
Is this clear? These steps are clear. Okay. Uh, Fine.
Sir, can you explain the event occurs simultaneous or non-simultaneous again?
Okay, so simultaneous means see one after the other. Means and inbuilt. I mean and thing is there. Means see, if you see, I'm going to create a password of 4-digit password. Okay, suppose. Then for the first digit I have to do and then for the second and for the third and for the fourth, right? So this means to create a password 4 digits. Suppose this is the condition. Here selection of digit will be simultaneous, right? Are you getting my point? To create a 4-digit password, I have to do for the first place and for the second place and for the third place and for the fourth place. It's about and. Okay. If it's or is there, right? So suppose I'm saying there are two kind of password, two different password. Password of A type and password of B type. Now I'm suppose I'm asking to you uh, which step you will select. If I'm saying you have to choose either password A or B. So you can see either A will be there or B will be there, right? So if you see for this particular either A or B, it's a non-simultaneous, right?
Sir, if we make a password for let four digits and four alphabets, then it will
Whatever alphabet or digit doesn't matter. It's about place, right? I'm saying for the first place, and if you see, are you getting this and involved here, right? Okay.
yes, sir, yes.
For the second, then and for the third and fourth, right? So for to create this for these 4 places, it should be and right? First place and second place and for third place and for fourth place. That means it's occurring simultaneous.
Sir,
Getting?
we are considering event as the whole password or the
No, no,
place.
events is okay. Okay, let me clarify. Event means I'm talking about selection of digit or selection of alphabet, whatever is there, whatever the things going on for that particular scenario. Okay, it can be a selection of digits, selection of students, selection of people, selection of whatever is there. Event, I'm talking about this. It's not whole. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
fine. Yeah. So just considering this scenario, so just see the question, okay? And I'm going to give you 3 minutes and just write the option number here, okay? So question is the consider the number 0, 2, 4, 5, and 9. From the given list of password, you have to choose the steps applicable for the selection of digits to form a 4-digit number. Condition is given to you, repetition is not allowed. Okay, so just think a little bit and give me option number. Okay, don't do the blindly, so just think. Okay, so those who have not joined at this peer deck slide, kindly join this. So just enter joinpd.com on your browser. After that, you have to enter this top right corner code FSDGME. Okay. So thing is that you will be able to see the slides whichever I presented on my screen, and on your in your phone also the same thing, and you will be able to enter the answer from your end. Okay. So it's a request to join so that you'll get more idea how to do the question within the given time limit. Okay. And feel free to ask if you need another time. It's good if you're not writing the answers on chat box. Okay? So Uday, I think it will be good if you're joining the. Have you joined this peer day?
No, sir. Now only I joined the meet, so I don't know how to join, sir.
Okay, so what to? Because I think this is the very first session you are joining this peer day slides.
Yes, sir. This is my first session, live session.
Same, same,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Okay, so let me give you some one more. Okay, so just enter on your browser joinpd.com. Okay, right? Joinpd.com.
Yes, sir. Wait.
After that, you have to enter this code. You can see the code on my top right corner, FSTGME.
pt.com.
Yeah, joinpd.com.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to enter a code, right?
Yes, sir.
So this code is on my top right corner screen. You can see FSDGME. Now, are you able to see
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am answering a code. What? Where is the code?
on my top right? You can see the right corner.
FSDGME.
Aha, fine. So let me give you some 30 seconds more once you join. Then we'll see the things which you have entered.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Sir, let's say we have 10 seats and 5 persons sitting on the seats,
Hmm.
choosing the seats. Then in that case, we can say that this is a simultaneous event.
No, choosing. So selection of chairs. Yeah. Then it will be simultaneous, right?
Sir, can you give me 30 seconds more?
Okay.
I
Okay.
cannot
Fine.
type my.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So is there anyone who wants another time limit, or should we proceed? Fine.
Proceed, sir.
Let me see the responses from your end. So 1 4 5 7 1 4 5 7 1 4. So you can enter at the same time. I mean, think this is the same person. You can enter the same 2468. Okay, let's see. Okay, so those who have entered 2468. So why 24 and 68? Yeah, feel free to say. Then your concept will be clarified, right? Yes, no. Okay, fine. Let me. If you're not. Okay, so here if you see, I have to create a four-digit number, right? So first of all, from 2459, okay? So if you see, I have to create four-digit number from 0 to 459. So to create a four-digit number, so see, selection of numbers will be simultaneous, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
because I have to create for first and for second, for third, for fourth, right? Now, it's a without replacement or with repetition,
Without
Without
replacement.
replacement.
okay? Why without replacement? Because in the question itself, it is mentioned we can't repeat the numbers. Now tell me whether order will matter or not.
Matter, sir.
Okay, order will
Yes.
matter because suppose
Yes,
I'm
sir.
creating number 4529, for example, right? So is this number is same as 9245?
No, sir.
No,
No, right?
sir.
So this is the different with this one, right? So I will say order matters. If order matters, then I will go for the permutation. Is this fine? So basically option number 1, 4, 5 and 7 is the correct option. As we can see in the solution of itself. Okay. So these two arrangements of digits are different. So it's different. That means order will matter. If order will matter, I will go for the permutation. Okay. So we have to keep in mind when to use permutation and combination. Don't like just blindly question came and I like combination, I use combination. No. Just think a little bit whether order will matter or not. Okay. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, so now this is the something you have to compute here. Okay, so consider the numbers. I mean, it's a prelude to the previous question. I mean, this you can consider as a sub part of that question. So you have to consider the by using the information in the previous question. I have number 0, 2, 4, 5, and 9. I have to how many four-digit numbers can be found from these numbers without repetition. Okay, so I'm going to give you some 3 minutes. Do let me know if you need another time. Okay? So, and those who have not joined this peer deck slide, so kindly join this. So the thing is, you can enter the answers from your end, okay? And what you have to do, just enter, write down on your browser, joinpd.com. After that, you have to enter the top right corner code, okay, which you can see on my screen, FSDGM and GME, okay?
Sir, can we use zero and the first digit?
This is something you have to think, right? Just think a little bit. Okay. So you have to just you have to get an idea from the statement of the question whether you have to use zero or not. So just think it's about what is the objective of the question. Okay, Sahil, if you have doubt in the all the options, there will be again questions related to this. We'll discuss that. Okay. So it's good to you can unmute or you can raise your hand and we can discuss it because I don't. Okay. So if you are not getting at any idea, so suppose I'm explaining something, you can unmute yourself and you can ask at the same time. So let me just give you some rough idea here itself. So simultaneous means the things which
Hello,
you have to
sir.
see. Yes.
Sir, where can I submit the answer?
Did you join this peer deck?
Yes, sir.
So
I
you
put it
can
my answer on responses, and
sorry.
there's not
See,
any enter option.
no, no. Can you see? You will be able to see a green face on your right, corner below right corner. Have you joined this peer deck? First of all, tell me
No, sir, there's nothing
why.
green.
Then you told me you joined, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
You have you
There
joined or
won't be
not?
any submit option. We just have to type it. Details.
sir, I have
So there
joined.
you joined, right? So can you see the
Shivansh
below?
Tiwari name.
Are you able to see the green face right corner? Any green face?
Sir, there's
Sir, there is
nothing
no
like
option
green
to
face.
submit answers.
Whatever I'm saying, are you able to see the green face on your right corner? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No, it should be visible, I think, for everyone.
It is not
So we
showing
are
up.
just
Yes,
seeing
sir.
the slide. We are just seeing the slide on the half side, and the other half side your responses and the writing answer section.
Okay, your
There's no
response is
submission
in which
button.
color? It's in green or whatever.
Sir, in white.
White, white,
Okay, just
white.
enter then. That's just enter then. Then I think
Just
it's
enter. There
updated
will
one.
be no
Ah,
submit
yes,
or
sir.
Submission will be
details.
automatically. Just enter your response.
Yeah,
Okay,
we are enter, sir.
fine.
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so just wait for let's wait for some 42 seconds and then we'll see this. Okay. Okay. So let me see the responses. So 96, 120, 120, 96, 120, 96, 250, 122, 4600. Okay, let's see. First of all, if can you tell me if this is the okay, how many digits we have? Total five, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So it's a 0, 2, 4, 5, and 9. Correct? Now, if
Yes,
you
sir.
see, I have to create a four-digit number. Okay. So first of all, these are the four places. Now, if I will write a 0 on the first place, will it be four-digit number?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
It will be
sir.
three-digit, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So that means for the first place, I will have only four options, right?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
And for the second, see any of the since repetition is not allowed, one number has been used here. Then for the second place, now I can use the zero, right? Then I will be having how many options again?
Four.
5.
Four options.
Again four, right? Now I have used two numbers out of five. First a number here and another number is here. Then for the third place,
Three digits.
3 digit.
for the second fourth place, two
Two
2.
digits,
digits.
right?
2.
So it's which is nothing but 96. Okay. So think that here you can see it's okay. Uday has asked what is the meaning of simultaneous. So here simultaneous you can see I have to do for the first place and for the second place and for the third place and for the fourth place. So it's a and operation is going on, right? So means for the one after the other means it should be for four-digit password or four-digit number I have to do for the first place and for the second place and for the third place and for the fourth. This is meaning of simultaneous. To create a four-digit number, I have to do the for all together. Did you get it? And repetition without repetition means repetition of digits here is not allowed. Okay. Is this question clear to all of you? How did we get the 96? We can
Yes,
see in
sir.
the solution part also. Okay. Is this fine? Yes,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay. Suppose I change the scenario. Suppose it's a password. I'm saying it's a four-digit password. Okay.
Then zero
Will
is
you
included at the first place.
then can I use zero on the first place or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can use, right? Because password is something what? It's a categorical data, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's not representing any amount or number.
Correct, correct. Password means we can't perform any mathematical operation on password. We can't say
Yes.
your password is better than mine, your password is good, I mean, greater than mine or something like that. That's the categorical data. So I can
Yes.
use zero on the very first place also. It will be then 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Then it will be 3 to the 6,
120.
120, right? So 120. As until those who have entered 120, they have considered zero at the first place, but that is the not case. If this is the password or something, four-digit roll number or something like that, then you can use five. Because in the suppose this is the roll number, okay, 0234. Then I mean I can consider zero at the first place. Okay, is that all
Yes.
right? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the difference, right? Huh? Okay. Okay, so this is the next question. Just read the question carefully here. How many, question is the same, but it's the next part actually. How many four-digit numbers can be found without repetition from these numbers such that it is divisible by four? So you have to think, you have to keep the condition in your mind. Okay, how will you, what is the condition of a number? It will be divisible by four?
Last two digits should be divisible by four.
Correct. So last two digits should be divisible by four. Then you have to basically fix last two digits, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Accordingly, just think. Okay? So I'm going to give you some 3 minutes and do let me know if you need another time. Okay. Okay, it's I told you, right? Don't write the answers on chat box. So join this peer deck slide. Okay, it's okay. This is so. Have you joined this peer deck slide? Let me repeat how to join. Just write down the, I mean, on your browser, just write joinpd.com, and then after that you have to enter that this top right corner code FSDGME. Then you will be able to enter the answer through this PLX. That's okay. Fine. Yeah. Okay, so just let's wait for this. So this is, I repeat the process. Just enter joinpd.com on your browser. Okay. Then you have to enter a code. You have to enter a code which you can see on my screen, top right corner. Code is FSDGME. Okay. Okay. Is there anyone who need another time limit, or should you proceed?
No, sir. Let's proceed.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. So this is, please join it. We can. Uh, just try to, Tomendra Saw, just try to understand the topics and okay, have you covered the lecture video? It's good to you can unmute, right? Rather than,
No.
okay. So just try to cover, and I will suggest to you, you can see the just try to rewatch the week 6 open session, okay? And because we have discussed the concept, each and every concept, okay? I will try to do here also, because we have to, anyhow we have to finish the slides, okay? But we'll see the concepts here itself, okay? So just try to, first of all, it's good to cover the content video and try to see, watch the week 6 open session, okay? And then try to understand there, and just be little. Are you okay with week 5 content, right? Fine. Okay, let me see the responses from your end. So 36, okay, 30, 60, 39, 36, 24, 4. Some random answers are there also, 24. Okay, let me see. Okay, so first of all, if you see what are the numbers 0 to 4, 5 and 9. Okay, numbers are 0, 2, 4, 5 and 9. Condition is we have to think what is the total number of ways, I mean how many 4-digit numbers we can form without repetition. Okay. Means we cannot repeat the numbers the numbers which we have used, and such that it is divisible by 4. So there is condition, right? So to divisible by 4, condition is we know last two digits. Okay, if last two digit of any number should be, I mean, if it's divisible by 4, then that number will be divisible by 4. That is the condition. So how to decide last two digits? So out of these digits, you can see last two digits can be 04. Yes or no?
Yes,
Then
sir.
Yes, sir.
20,
Two
24,
zero. 24. 5
40,
2.
correct? 52
Yes, sir.
and 92, right? I think that's
And
all, right?
9.
So these are the
Yes,
numbers.
sir.
These numbers should be the last two digit of that four digit number. So basically, if you see here, I can fix if last two digit are 0 and 4. Okay, so these two are fixed. Now we have to fill this condition, right? These two places. In how many ways we can do?
6.
4.
See, 04 are there already. Out of 5, 04 already. That
So
means I
2.
have I have three options, right?
Three,
Sir,
three, two.
See, for the okay, I have to
3
give
3
factorial,
three.
sir.
into 2,
3
6.
factorial.
How 3 factorial?
3 into 2, right? So,
No, sir.
Three,
Okay,
3,
okay,
3
2
and
days.
2. Like
Yeah,
first place we have 3.
basically,
For second place we have 2 digits.
okay, basically, so I have to fill these two places, right? I
yes,
know, so that I can do in 3 into 2, okay? Because
yes,
repetition is not allowed, right? Means see, 04
Yes,
already used. That means
sir.
I can use any of the three numbers out of 259. Then suppose I have used 2, then I will be having only two options, right? Or else I can say in the simpler way, it's since I know order is repeating, then I can do 3P2 or not.
yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
order matters here, right? Means suppose I have created number, let's say 5904 or 9504. So this number is different from this number. That means order matters, right? Or here order matters. So if order matters, I can use the permutation directly, right? I mean, see, these two are the same. Okay. Now, same if I have used the 20, if you see 20, the same case again, 3 into 2,
Yes, sir.
that means 3P2. Yes or no?
Yes,
If
sir.
you see the third case, let's say 40. I'm just taking 40 because I will tell you the reason. So to fill the first place, I will be having three options, three ways, and
3 into
then
2.
2. That is same as 3P2. Okay. Now let's take
Yes, sir.
24. So if I'm going to take the 24, so this last two digits, that means I have three options, right? 0, 5, 9. But be careful, it's a number. I can't use 0 at the first place. That means I have to use
2
any
into
of the
2.
two numbers. Then again, I have any of the two
2
numbers,
numbers.
right? Is this
4.
clear? See,
Yes, sir.
you will be having 059. Since it's a four-digit number, so at the very first place, I can't use 0. Okay, then I can use either 5 or 9. That means I will be having two options for the first place. And since I
Yes,
have
sir.
used a number out of these two, that means again I will be having a 0 or 5. For example, suppose 9 has been used. For example, just assume. Then you will be having only two options, 0 and 5. Then again it will be 2 into 2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then suppose you are used 5 into 2 and sorry 52. Then again you will be having 2 into 2 because you will be having 0, 4, 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then last case, if you see 92, right? Again, you will be having 2 and 2 because you will be, the remaining numbers are 0, 4, 5, right? Yes or no? So what
Yes,
we
sir.
have to do?
Yes, sir.
We have to add all these cases, right? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
36.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will be 6, 6, 6,
4.
4, 4, 4.
30.
So total will be 3 into 6 plus 3 into 4. So 18 plus 12, which is nothing but 30.
So my answer
Okay.
correct.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So as we can see in the slides itself, the same thing which we had discussed. So here the last two digits should be 0420244052 or 92. Then these numbers will be divisible by 4. And we can see if you have fixed 04, then we will be having 259. Then which we can do in 3p2 ways. I mean, which is same as 3 into 2. The same 3p2 ways will be for 20 and 40 also, right? Similarly, if you have fixed 24, or then we will be having 2 into 2 ways, right? Or we can say 2p1 ways. Anyway, it's correct. Similarly, for 52 and 92. At the end, we will be getting the 3 times 3p2. Uh, yeah, 3 times 3p2 plus 3 times 4. Okay, so we'll get the 30. Okay, is this clear? I think there is a similar questions related to this in the grade assignment, right? Okay. Now using
Sir,
these
can you
concepts,
explain the last part again?
which one?
Sir, from 3 into 2, how you write?
Yeah, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically you can say 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is occurring 3 times, right? So I can say 3 into 4, right?
Yes, sir.
The same, you can see this is the 3 times, right? 6, 6, 6. So I can simply write 6, 3 into 6. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah. Basically, see, you can see here if you are getting difficulty, so it means 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. So this is 3 times, right? So I can simply write 3 into 2 into 2.
Sir,
Yeah.
just to show that last slide, you solved the question.
Yeah. Mhm.
So basically, sir, here 3 into 2 because there are three numbers available. So 3 into 2. And over here, there are only how it is coming 2 into 2, sir?
This one. Okay.
Basically, why can't we add 0 in the first place?
Okay, if you will add 0 at the first place, whether it will be 4-digit number,
Yeah, got it, got it.
it will be
For
only
that
2
reason,
digit number, right? So I can't use 0 at the first place, right? I will be having only two options.
yeah,
Fine.
okay.
Yes, sir.
And it could not be 2 into 3 because the repetition is not allowed. Like,
Yes, yeah. If repetition is allowed, then it will be 2 into 3. But here repetition is not allowed. Because suppose you have used 9 here, for example. Then you will be having only two options because 9 is already used.
right,
Fine.
right.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the this next part. So here part just you to be little bit careful. Here question is such that it is not divisible by 4. Okay, then what you can do? How will you proceed? You can find the total number of ways minus when it is divisible by 4. Yes or no? See, you have to think in how many ways, total number of ways in which you can create 4-digit numbers without repetition minus when it is divisible by 4. Okay.
Yes.
Then you will get the numbers which is not divisible.
Does
Yeah, let's wait for others. Okay, do you need another time limit? I think we have calculated just the required things in the previous preloads,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So you have to just subtract the numbers.
Yes, sir. Total minus this.
Yeah.
So, right way.
Okay, is there anyone who need another time limit? Feel free to say. Okay, don't worry. We'll increase the time limit. Yes, no.
No, sir.
Sir, can we do this
No,
question
sir.
by not subtracting from the total, but by counting for each observation?
Sorry, could you repeat?
So, as you are saying that we count the total observation, total cases minus the cases when it is divisible by 4.
Hmm.
But we can also calculate by counting those cases when it is not divisible by 4, not subtracting it.
Okay, then how many cases will be there?
But it takes so much time.
It will take so much time, and you have to think all the minor cases, right? Like,
So,
see, suppose 04 is divisible, right? Then you have
Yes,
to
sir.
think 02, 05, 09, all the numbers. Are you
As we
getting?
saw the previous question, we will fix the last two dates by 5p2 minus 6 for those cases which are divisible by 4, and
Hmm.
then multiply by the rest of the three digits.
Okay,
Then
what
we
is the answer you are getting?
270.
Yeah, it's wrong.
I think it's 66.
See, you are
Yes.
getting 270, right? That means you are counting something again and again. See, how, okay, what is the total number of numbers without repetition you can create for 4 digits,
It's 5p.
96,
96,
sir.
sir.
96.
right? So if you are able to create total 4 digit number 96, then is it true? It should be 270 more than 96.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that means what you are doing, see, your approach is okay, but it is a tedious task, right? You have to think all the numbers, right? That means you are counting something again and again. Okay. So it's a very simple approach. Is we have to find that numbers which is not divisible by 4. Since we know total number of 4 digit number that can be formed is 96, right? 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. And we know the total number of 4 digits which can be formed such that it is divisible by 4, that is 30. Then which is not divisible by 4, it's a 96 minus 30, which is 66. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. But yeah. Okay, so this question, I think Uday did not get the idea. Okay, just try to understand here. We'll discuss it. Here, I think hopefully I have discussed the meaning of simultaneous. It should be one after the other. Means suppose you are going to do the selection for let's say group of three. Then you have to select first and second and third. So if and is there, it means simultaneous. If is or is there, it's not simultaneous. Okay. That
Sir,
repetition without repetition, it will depend on the scenario. Yeah.
Can you repeat the simultaneous and non simultaneous?
See,
Yes, sir. Can you repeat?
simultaneous means okay. Suppose I'm saying one after the other means and is there. Means suppose I have to create 4 digit password, for example. Okay. Then for the first place I have to select the digit, right? And for the second, and for the third, and for the fourth. So I have to do one after the other. This for the second, and for this, and for this. So it's meaning of simultaneous. Okay. Means you have to do all digits together to create a to for the four digit create a 4 digit pass. Are you getting? Okay, fine. Yeah. So
sir,
Or,
yeah.
sir, could you please give an example for or, not simultaneous?
Okay, non-simultaneous means suppose I have two passwords. Password of type A. This is something different type of password of type B, for example. Okay. Then I'm saying you have to choose either A or B. Okay. Then it's a non-simultaneous. I can use choose either A or B, right? So if it's or, that means non-simultaneous.
Okay.
Clear? Okay, so I've given some 3 minutes. It's about 2.5 minutes. So just do the and just write the option numbers. Okay? So Chinmay has raised hand. Yes, Chinmay, do you have any query?
Uh, Sir,
Yes.
I had a similar doubt like the previous question, sir. Like this,
Hmm.
can I ask?
Yeah.
Like there was a question like how many three-digit number can be made using only two different digits taken from 1 to 9? Repetition of digits are allowed.
Okay. So what's the problem? I mean, you have to create three-digit number, right?
Yeah,
Then
can be made
repetition will
using only two different digits taken from 1 to 9.
no. If you see, you are saying two different digits.
Yeah, using only two different digits from 1 to 9. We have to make three digits number
Okay, third digit can
and
repeat, right?
I think yeah, a question is like that.
Okay. Okay. Where is that question?
I think two digits can be same and one digit should be different. I think
Yeah, yeah. Fine, fine. So
1 to 9.
okay, where is that question?
It's from I think previous year quiz 2.
Okay, okay. Can you paste on the chat box? Okay, let me increase the time limit because. Okay, so you have to just
Okay.
think. Like think means just think. There will be cases. Suppose the three digits, right? So just think.
Yeah,
Just make the cases like, for example, suppose this and this place as repeating. Okay, this number and this
yeah,
number. If this is
yeah,
repeating, that's mean 1 to 9 means I can use any nine and any nine. Then it will be eight, right?
yeah.
Then second case will be suppose this one and this one is repeating. Then it will be 9, 9. For this place, it will be 8. Something. Okay.
Okay,
So you have to see all the possible cases. Got it?
okay.
Yeah.
So sir,
And then
the
you have to
answer
add
for this.
all the cases. Hmm? Then you have to add all the cases.
Okay.
Are you getting?
So one
See.
case, two
Suppose
case.
suppose this. Okay, this is the case 112, right? This is
Yeah.
possible, right? That means 112. That means I can use any
Okay, okay,
nine
okay, okay.
number, any nine number. Then it should be 8. Any 8, right?
Okay, huh.
Then 9,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
8, 9. Then it can be 8, 9, 9, right? Got it?
So sir, it will be lengthy. Like it will take time.
No, it's, I think all the cases has covered, right? You have to add this plus this.
Okay.
See, only
So
either
what will
first
be the
and
answer,
second.
sir?
Just multiply this one
Okay,
and
okay. This is
this one. Fine. Okay. Do you need another time limit for this question? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. 2457 2468 1368. Okay. 214213. Lots of someone has entered 5,250. Okay. Let's see. So if you see here, what is the question? For the final selection of World Cup squad consisting of four players, right? Are to be selected from a group of 10 players. If I'm going to select four players, that means selection of players will be simultaneous, right? I have to select
Yes,
four,
sir.
one after the other. It's clear now. Squad is to be selected such that two players X and Y will either be selected together or both are not selected. Okay. From the given list of options, select the steps. Okay. For the selection of players for World Cup squad. Okay. So first of selection will be simultaneous, right? Now, can you? It will be without replacement because see, the one player can take only one position, right? You can't repeat the person. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here order doesn't matter here because I'm just going to select four people. It's not like there is position for captain, vice captain, and something like that, right? I have to simply select four people. Suppose I have selected, for example, suppose I have selected player one, first player two, first player three, first, then player four. For example, I have selected something like that. Then anyway, I have selected these four people, right? Because there is no ranking for these persons. So here order doesn't matter, right? Yes or no? Are you
Yes,
getting?
sir.
So if order not matters, that means I can use the combination. Is that all right? Yes,
Sir,
no?
in this question, can you
Mhm.
explain simultaneously again?
See, simultaneous means what? I told you, right? It should be and procedure is there, right? So I have to select four players, right? So I select, suppose these are the four places, okay? Then I have to select first player and second player and third player and fourth player, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear?
So they have given in the question
Hmm?
A and B or sorry X and Y or that something. So that either or. So that still
No,
will
no.
be correct.
See, here you can see it's about squad is to be selected such that two players X and B will either be selected together or both are. See, it's about only two players, right? Anyway, that squad will be for what? Four players, right?
Okay. Okay.
If you see, I'm talking about applicable for the selection of players for World Cup squad. It's not about only these two. Fine?
Okay.
Here, okay, yeah. So by using the same information, now here we have to find the number of ways, in how many ways can the squad be selected if both X and Y are included in the squad. Okay. So just think here, just think for the condition. X and Y are included in the squad. Okay. So if X and Y are included in the squad means what? See, just okay, just tell me how many players we have to select total.
4.
Saying X and Y are included, then that means what
2.
is
We have to select two more only.
two more from where?
8P2.
Correct. 8P2 or 8C2?
Oh, 8C2.
Yeah, just be little bit because here I'm not talking about any ranking or order of the players. Right? Here just I'm selecting the people, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So just little bit. See, things are the same. So we have to just think whether order will matter. I will use permutation. If order doesn't matter, I will go for the combination. Okay. Okay. So anyway, I told you answer, but yeah, I'm going to give you some 3 minutes just to solve this.
Sir,
Yeah.
the slides are same for every time, na sir? Like I think
Yeah, as of now it's the same, but we are changing sometimes as per the, suppose we are going to change graded assignments and all, then
yeah,
we are changing sometimes. But
yeah, because I was
more or less,
watching these.
yeah, more or less it's the same actually. Okay.
Sir, the previous answer is 216. The doubt I was asking, na sir, the repetition of
I
digit is
don't know
allowed.
exact answer. You to just calculate and you can cross
Yeah,
check with
I'm
that
not
answer.
getting it. This, yeah, I'm not getting it, sir. Yeah.
Uh,
At the end, you can explain. Yeah.
uh, okay. Can you share me that question? What is the answer is there in the previous
216, sir.
quiz?
Yeah, it was in the previous quiz. Like, how many three-digit number can be made using two different digits from 1 to 9? Repetition of the digit is allowed.
Two different digits. Okay. Okay, we'll see. We'll
Made
see. We'll
using,
see. We'll see. Maybe we are making some mistake, some cases. Maybe we are mistaking. Okay, we'll see. Don't worry. At the end, we'll see. Or what you can do, just paste the thing on the discussion
yeah, I will
forum.
paste the question, sir.
Yeah, just do you access of the discussion forum?
Yeah, just I heard small notes, sir. Just
Okay, anyone need another time limit?
No.
No, sir.
Receive very less number of responses. I don't know why is that case. You are not able to do, or you are not interested to solve it.
Not able to do so.
Not able.
Okay, what is the difficulty you are getting? Okay, first of all, in how many ways you will select 4 people out of 10 without order?
10C4, sir.
10C4, right? What is the question saying? Question says, in how many ways can the square be selected if this condition is given already? X and Y are included in the square. That means, see, I have to select 4 out of 10, right? Which I can do in 10C4. Okay, this is the total, but I'm saying X and Y are included in the square. Okay, that means there are only 2 remaining people which I need to select, right?
Yes.
To complete the squad, right? So 2 remaining people, and since X and Y are already included, that means I have to select 2 people out of 8.
8C2.
8C2, that's all. This is the answer. Okay. So 2856, 2880. I'm not getting any time a same answer from your end. No way. So yeah, so 8C2, sorry, I think it's that overwrite is here. So 28 is the answer actually. You can see. Okay. This there is a overwrite here. 10 minus 2 C4 minus 2 actually. So it's basically 8C2. Fine. Is this clear? Yes. No.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let's move to the next part. So question is the same. I mean information is the same. Little question is a different little bit. So question asks, in how many ways can the squad be selected if X is not included in the squad? Okay, just think a little bit. If X is not included in the squad, that means what?
Why will we also not include it?
Also not
Y
will
is
not be
also
included.
not included. That means
Same answer.
Then directly goes to 8C4.
8C4.
8C4 हो जाएगा
8C4.
8C4, sir.
8C4.
yeah. So just solve that and
56.
uh, let me know the answer. I mean, just enter the answer. Now you are able to see the difference, right? I mean, just a minor change in the statement, you are going to get the different answer. Okay. So uh, questions of permutation and combination is just role of statement actually. Okay, let me give you some 3 minutes.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have pasted that question in chat box.
Okay. Opening, we'll check with you. It's a good to how many 3-digit numbers can be made using only 2 different digits taken from 1 to 9? So answer is 2 ones. Okay, okay. I think initially then we have missed some cases. Maybe there are mistakes. We'll check. Okay. Also, you can paste on the sorry discussion forum also for safe side.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
Sir,
so
in
for
that
that
question,
question, okay, for that question, see, should I? It's okay. Okay, Chinmay, right? Did you ask?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, for that question, if suppose I'm saying numbers are repeating, right? Initially, what
Yeah.
we made mistake. Okay, if you see, I got the idea from the answer itself. So we have done 9 into 8, right? But thing is
Yeah.
that two numbers can repeat, right? Suppose
Yeah.
I have used 1, 2. That means this is already fixed, right? This is going to be repeat. So this is 9
Yeah.
into 8. Are you getting? Let me write from a very fresh page. Suppose this is the case, right? Suppose 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Suppose this is the these are some dummy numbers, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
in
Yeah.
this,
These are
thi-
for
okay. So for this place, I can use any of the 9, right?
yeah.
Since this is the fix, right? Because it is going to be repeat. Then for this place, I
Yeah.
will be having only 8 options, right? Then
Okay.
same 9 into 8. Same 9 into 8. So it will be 3 into 72, which is 216. Okay. Initially we
Yeah.
made
Yeah.
mistake. I had done 9 into 9, which is not correct. Because
Yeah.
see,
This logic is
it's
it's coming
yeah,
right.
it's clearly mentioned. It's two are repeating. Right? Okay. So for
Okay.
this question, do you need another time limit?
Sir, can you show one's previous question, sir? Means you solve now. PVQ.
sir,
Which question?
Now you solve no, sir. That brother said no. That PVQ. I want to see.
This one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Okay.
sir, can we do 8 into 9C2?
Is this clear now?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
so
Okay.
am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, in that question, can we do 8 into 9C2?
Which question?
Sir, that send in the chat box
Okay. Why 8
that you
into
opened
9?
earlier in the
Why 8 into 9C2?
sir, we are selecting two dates from the 9 dates. Uh, for selecting, we do 9C2, and for arranging that two dates in three places, we 2 into 2 into 2.
No, no. First of all, see, if you are doing 9C2, that means you are just randomly selecting two numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are
Now
saying
we are
9C2. That means what?
sir, 9C2. We get two numbers from those 9 dates,
And then
and
you
now
you are going to arrange two numbers. Anyway, you
sir,
have to do the arrangement, right? You have to multiply it with 2 factorial.
I mean to say that from the 9 dates, I have selected two dates first,
Fine.
C, and then multiply by 2 to the power 3 to arrange that two dates in three
No,
places.
why 2 raised power 3? I'm asking. See, to arrange that, see, if you are saying 9C2, that means you have selected two numbers and you have to arrange those two numbers, which you can do in 2 factorial. That's all.
So I have three places. Then for filling first place, I have
In
to.
three places, one number is going to be repeat anyhow. Okay. One number, just read the question carefully. One number is going to be repeat.
Okay.
Fine. So one place
Yes.
is already fixed. That means you have to choose any two numbers out of 9 and you have to multiply it with 2 factorial, which is nothing but 9p2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Yeah. So here in the question it says x is not included in the square. If x is not included in the square, it's a request to mute if you don't have any daughter because there is some background noise. So in the question says if x is not included in the square, so as per the condition, here you can see either both will be there or both are not be. So if x is not there, that means y will also not be selected. That means we have to select total 4 players out of remaining 8, which we can do in 8C4, which is nothing but 70. Okay, is this clear? Yes, no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Is question is clear, right?
No, sir.
Why we have done 8C4, right? Fine.
No, sir. Not.
No, sir.
I mean, it's clear or not?
No, sir.
No,
Can you explain?
sir.
Okay, so you can see what is the condition is given in the question. Question is we have to find the number of ways if x is not included, right? You can see the condition if x is there are two players x and y. Condition is either both will selected, both will be together or both not. If I'm saying x is not there, that means y will also will not be in the group. Yes or no? First of all,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
that means if these two we have to subtract, and anyway in total we have to choose a form of a group of 4 players, right? Out of 10, x and y are not going to be selected. That means I will be having now 8 players, right?
Yes, sir.
Now out of these 8, I have to select total 4. Since order doesn't matter, which I can do in 8C4 ways, which is nothing but 70. Now it's clear why it's 8C4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I change the scenario, right? I'm going to select these 4 people, and there are some positions. Let's say captain, vice captain, some other 2 positions. Let's say some 2 positions are there. Let's say R1, R2, some positions are. Then will you do 8C4 or 8P4?
8P4.
8P4 because order will matter
Important.
in that case. Okay. Are you able to see the difference now? Fine.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Yeah. Let's move to the next question. So this, okay. Now the question is, in how many ways can the squad be selected? Now for this question, what will be the scenario? Here I'm asking what squad be selected, and what are the cases when squad will be selected? First case, x and y will be selected together, or x and y will not be selected together, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means we have to add both cases. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So just add.
Yes.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting my idea, right? What I'm talking? Okay. So just add those 2 cases. When x and y are included together and when x and y are not selected in this. Yeah. Anybody? Do you need another time limit?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See the response is 98, 98, 136, 280. Okay, those who entered 136, can you tell me what was your approach? Feel free to say it. Will be able to know whether you got the idea or not, or where you are making mistake.
Sir, can we do it by 9C4 using 9C4?
Why 9C4?
Because if I take X and Y as a single unit, then I can make the combination as 9C4.
Did you read this statement carefully?
The square, yes, yes. If two
No.
players are to be selected,
Is there
uh,
any case when 9 will be there?
if I take X and Y as a single unit, if it
No, no.
include,
Why it's a single unit? That is case.
because they are if they are selected as a one, or if they are not selected then as a one, because X and Y will be either selected or either not selected.
So, okay, is there any point to consider as to single unit? No, right? We have to select total four-person. If X and Y are there, that means two people already are there, not a single people are there.
Okay,
Okay.
because
If X
there
and Y
was,
are not there, that means two people are missing, not one people are missing.
okay, okay,
Okay. So basically, we have to add two cases because it's see question is it's asking in how many ways can the square be selected. So there are two ways because first case is there when x and y are selected in the square, and second case when x and y are not selected in the square, because we have to consider both cases, right? We have to consider total. So for the first case when x and y were selected, then that means we had 8C2 which is 28, right? Yes or no? If X and Y are already selected in the squad, that means we have to select remaining two people out of eight people. Are, are you getting my point? So it will be 8C2, which we had done in the previous question also. If S and Y are not selected, that means I have to see, since we have to form the group of four people, four players, that means I have to select the four people out of eight, which we can do in 8C4, which is nothing but 70. So since we have to consider both cases, so it will be 28 plus 70, which is 98. Is that is this clear? Yes or no? Is this fine or any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Fine, sir. This is just some question regarding EMQ feedback. So you can going to give some 1 minute. Just enter whatever you feel about this EMQ. EMQ means that selection of the steps. Because if you are okay with the EMQ, right? If you got the EMQ means the extended matching question means the steps required to solve a question regarding this permutation and combination. If you are able to identify the steps, then your questions will be correct. Because sometimes people just blindly they are using blindly that combination permutation, but we have to careful when to use permutation and when to use. Fine. Okay. Yes, no, yes, fine. So let's move to the technical question. So there is question number three, part A. So just read the question carefully. Here, in the options, events means the selection of these things. So three distinct awards say flower bouquet, chocolates, and toys are to be distributed among the six students, and those six students are A, B, C, D, E, and F. Just say if chocolates see here we have to careful, a little bit careful with the conditions. Okay, so if chocolates can be given to what is this PDF? Okay.
Sir, I have shared it before. I just had a doubt. You
Oh,
explain, sir. I would just.
okay.
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So, condition is chocolates can be given to either A or F, and toys can be given to either A or C or F. Note, one award can be given to only one student. Now, from the given list of the options, select the steps. Okay. So, can you tell me here steps for distribution of awards? So, distribution of awards will be simultaneous or not? Here, events means distribution of awards actually. Tell me, distribution of awards will be simultaneous or not?
Simultaneously.
Yes, because this three distribution, three awards we have to distribute among 6 students, right? Okay, so it's a simultaneous. Now, okay, let me give you some minute. You have to think, and 3 minutes or 1 minute, 1 minute will be more than enough. If you need extra time, do let me know. Okay, do you need another time limit?
Yes, sir.
How much? 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
what is the major difference between the permutation and combination? I was getting confusion over there.
Okay, so the major difference is if order is matters, right? Then you will
Yeah.
go for the permutation. If order doesn't
Okay.
matter, you will go for the combination. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
because if this is okay, so let me share my. Okay, just wait for some this seconds. I will give you that. Okay? You can if you are okay, you can rewatch the week 6 open session. We have discussed a lot, but I will give you some rough idea for this also. Don't worry. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? Suppose I'm saying in a room, suppose there are 4 people, okay, and I'm saying I have to select 2 people, okay, and just I have to select 2 people for some work and all whatever. Then I will use the combination. That means I will to choose 2 people out of 4 without order. Means here order doesn't matter. Means what I mean. Suppose I selected P1, person 1 or person 2, or first I selected person 2 or P1, then person 1. Anyway, I have selected these 2 people, right?
Right.
Correct. Here order doesn't matter. So I will go for the combination. Now, what the
Yeah.
permutation says? Suppose I'm saying I have to select 2 people such that one will be principal or president, another will be vice president. If I have
Right.
selected P1 as a president, then P2 as a vice president, or
Mhm.
P2 as a president, P1 as a vice president. So is this order or this order is same?
No, no, it's
It's
different.
not same, right? Here order matters, right?
Yeah.
So order matters. I will prefer simply 4P2. Basically, this 4P2 is what? If you see, this is the same. This 4P2 I can get from here. That means I have selected 2 people out of 4. Then I have to arrange these 2 people, and I can arrange these 2 people in 2 factorial ways, right?
Yeah.
And this is the
Yeah.
same as 4P2. NCR, I selected R objects out of N. If I see Suppose I have selected, order doesn't matter. If I am going to arrange this R, then that I can do in R factorial way, which is nothing but NPR. So this actually this is the difference. This creates the difference for order matter.
So basically, sir, the 4C2 will be like 4 into 3 and 2 into 1, like
No, 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 no,
divided by
no.
2 into 1 and 4
Uh, uh,
into
uh, uh,
3.
uh. I think you are not okay with the formula. So NCR is n factorial divided by R factorial and minus R factorial. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the formula. And NPR is n factorial divided by n minus R factorial only, because anyway we are multiplying with R factorial to get the NPR. Okay,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So let me see the responses: 1368, 1357, 1468. Okay, let's see. So here you can see 1457 is correct, because if you see order here matters, right? Those who enter six, first of all, four is there, right? It's a without replacement, because in the question it is clearly mentioned one award can be given to only one student. That means it's a without repetition. Yes or no? And distribution of awards is simultaneous. Okay, because I have to give the award to all the six students with some conditions there. So if you see, without replacement is there, because one award can be given to only one. Its repetition is not there. Now here order matters. Means suppose you can see suppose I'm going to give chocolates to student A and toys to student B. Is this order is different if toys I'm going to give to student A and chocolates to student B? Yes or no? These two arrangement are different. Yes. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since these two arrangement are different, so the order matters. If order will matter, I will go for the combination, right?
Sir, if order matters, we go for permutation.
Permutation. Yeah, I spoke wrong to get the answers from your side. Okay. So if order will matter, I will go for the permutation. That means 1457. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so by using the same information, here you have to find in how many ways can the awards be given to these students. Note, one award can be given to only one student. Okay. So you have to by keep just keep in mind this condition. Chocolates can be given to either A or F, and toys can be given to either A, C, or F. So I'm going to give you some 3 minutes. Do let me know if you need another time. Anyone? Do you need any time?
No, sir.
Time? Okay, then let me see the responses from your end. 720, 12, 120, 16, 18, 300, 120. Okay, those who ended 120 and all. Why 120? Yeah, feel free to say. I mean, only then we'll be able to know whether at which step you are making mistake. Why 120? Yes, no. See, let me clarify one thing. If you will not speak, right? I'm not saying for a particular. I'm talking in general. Then see, we'll assume you are getting the things. If you are making mistake, you can simply tell your approach, right? This is something your approach was you did apply. I mean, you did calculation something like this. Okay. So simply feel free to say, don't worry. Okay. If anyone will not speak anything, then we'll simply assume you are getting the idea. Then at the end, maybe it's possible you are not able to identify the things where you are making mistake. No worries, let me proceed. So
Sir,
you can see, yes.
sir, I did 6p3 for this. That's why I got 120. So
Why 63?
since there's six students and three can be divided.
Okay, so that is something we can do in general, right? You can see here there is some condition is there, right? If this condition not there, then you can simply do 3 awards out of 6 for 6 people.
I didn't understand what this was.
Okay, see,
Yes, sir.
suppose I'm saying you have 3 awards, right? And 6 students are there, and you have to award these three two out of these six. Okay, that means first award I can go for any of the 6 students, right? And second for any of the five, then for four. This is nothing but 6p3 actually, right? But if you see there are condition. Condition is if condition is not there, then you can go like this. Condition is chocolates can be given to either A or F. Okay. So if you see, so there are condition that if chocolates can be given to either A or F, then how many ways you have now? 2 ways, right? Next condition is twice can be given to either A or C or F. So twice can be given to either A or C or F. How many ways now?
3
3.
ways.
That is the mistake.
But F or A can be given to chalk.
Correct. That means only
Two ways.
right, because chocolates is going to give you only either A or F. Suppose A got the chocolate, that means we have only 2 ways, right? Is this clear? Now you can see now it's a very clear. Now if you see how many places are now, I mean how many awards are there? Only one award for this flower bouquet, right? And what is the remaining student? How much remaining
Four.
students is there,
Four.
which we can do in 4 ways, right?
Hmm.
So it will be 2
Eight.
into 2 into 4, which is 16 ways. So 16 is the correct answer. The thing which you are doing, it's about only in general. You have 3 awards. Let's say that flower, toy, and chocolates, and you have 6 students. In how many ways you can do? That is 6p3, right? But here there are some conditions. So you have to consider those conditions as well. Is this clear now?
Sir,
Yeah.
how 4 is coming?
See, 2 students already awarded, right? One got chocolates, one got toy. Then we have remaining 4 students, right? In total, we have to award 6 students. See, one either A or F will get chocolate from here. Out, suppose A got the chocolate, then either C or F will get the toy. Okay, are you getting? Suppose toy any one of the get, then we have to consider the remaining 4 because the toys are given to 2 students already, right? Chocolates and toys. That will be remaining only 4 students. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So
Sir,
next
I have a
question is,
doubt.
yeah.
Sir, did it was mentioned that one student can get only one award?
Hmm.
Because I have taken that one student can get more than one award. So that's why my answer came to be 11.
No, no, it's about only one award. That's why it should be 16. Okay.
It was mentioned, sir, that one award can be given to only one student. We
Yes,
may
sir.
take that one student can get more than one award.
No, 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 no. Here, see, one student will get only one award. See, chocolates can be given to either A or F. So I have two ways to give the chocolates, right?
Yes, sir.
And toys can get A, C, or F, right? Suppose A got the chocolate, then again you will be only two ways remaining, either C
Yes,
or F
sir.
or A or C, something like that. So
Yes,
two
sir.
students got fixed here, right? Two students got chocolate here, right? One got chocolate, one got toys.
Yes, sir.
Now you have remaining four students. Then flower can you can give any of the four. So it will be 2 into 2 into 4, which is 16. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the fourth question. Just think, it's about there are a card. I mean, for a card game, five seniors and four juniors are to be seated on a nine chairs at a round table. Be careful with the round table. So tell me the steps. I think now this should be very clear. And I given some 3 minutes and write the option number. Okay, anyone? Do you need another time limit?
No, sir.
Okay. So here events will occur simultaneously or not? Miss, when you are going to when people are going to sit around a round table, then it will be
No,
simultaneous,
sir.
right? Why? Why no?
Sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
can sit
Simultaneous.
anytime we can sit, no?
Not about any time. See, it's about to play the card game. We have to fill the nine chairs, right? So you have to do for
Okay.
first chair, then for second chair, then for third chair, then for fourth chair, up to ninth chair. Okay. So here events will occur simultaneously. See, sitting arrangement of all the members will be simultaneous because we have to fix all 9 chairs, right? Suppose this is round table, some 9 chairs are there. We have to do for one chair, then second chair, then so it all be together one and after other, right? Yes or no? This is something we know simultaneous. Okay. So sitting arrangement of all the members because we have to consider throughout the case. Okay, will be simultaneous and it's without replacement because as one member can take only one position, right? Not one member are going to set that person is going to set for other places also. First of all, here arrangement will be order will matter or not? Order will matter, right? Because
Yes, sir.
there are 5 seniors, right? So suppose seniors has been seated like S1, S2, S3, S4, 5, and juniors are J1, J2, J3, J4, and then suppose arrangement S1, S2. I mean, it's not suppose seniors are S1 up to S5. Juniors are J1, J2, J3, J4, J4 because there are 4 juniors. Suppose there are sitting arrangement like this S1, S3, S4, S2, S5, and J1, J2, J3, J4. So is this is the different with this scenario, right? This sitting arrangement. Yes or no? So here you can see order arrangement, sitting arrangement are different. That means order matters. If order matters, so I will go for the permutation. Okay. Is this clear? Anyway, in this case, we are using circular permutation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So order will matter and 1, 4, 5, 7 will be correct option. Is this clear? So from here you got the idea. It's about circular permutation. Yes or no?
Yes,
Is
sir.
this clear?
So here order matters, no, or no?
Yeah, order matters, right? That's why we are you selected 5 and 7. 5 and 7. 5 is order matters. 7 is permutation is used. Got it?
Sir, if in case this sit like not in order, there is any issue.
See, anyway, person are sitting. Suppose I'm saying there are 5 people. Okay. Suppose they are seated 4 people. They are seated like this. They suppose they are seated like this. Is this order same or different?
It's different.
That
Yeah,
means
yeah.
order matters. Okay. We have to just think a little bit. That's all. Anyway, suppose all seniors are there. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 is there. And then J1, J2, J3, J4. And for example, J2, J3, J4, J1, then S5, S1, S something like that. So is this arrangement same as like this? No, right? That means arrangement are different. That means order matters. If order matters, I will simply go for the permutation. Fine. Okay. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the question which you have to calculate. Just be careful. There is condition you have to find the total number of possible ways such that 4 juniors are always sitting next to each other. So I'm going to give you some 3 minutes and after that, okay. Anyone, do you need another time limit? Are you able to do this? Okay, do you need another time limit? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
How much? 1 minute or?
Oh, yeah, 1 minute.
Okay, fine.
Wait.
Anybody? Do you need time limit or should we proceed?
Uh, Sir, I wrote 280, but it should be 2880.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no.
Same. I also done like that. So
Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
sir.
I tried
Those
like.
who entered, someone has entered 3024. How did you get this? Okay, no problem. Let it be. If you are not going to speak.
Sir, I
Yeah.
do this by combination.
Why combination? In the steps, what are the steps you have selected? First of all,
Sir,
tell me. Yeah. In
sir,
circular order, will you use combination or permutation?
Permutation.
We are using permutation because order are matters, right? Yes or no? In that circular permutation, if we have n people or n objects something, if clockwise, okay, and anti-clockwise are different, right? Then in how many ways we can do? It's n minus
N minus 1
1
factorial.
factorial. If clockwise and anti-clockwise are same, then I will do n
N
minus 1
minus
factorial
1
divided by 2.
divided by
So
2.
here you can see I have 5 seniors, right? And 4 juniors. So see arrangement of these people anyway clockwise and anti-clockwise will be different, right? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Now so in total in how many ways we can do? We can do in 8 factorial ways, right? Okay, in total I'm not considering the condition here. If suppose I have to arrange these 9 people around a circular table, I can do in 8 factorial ways. But there is one condition it called all the juniors should sit together, right? All the juniors should I mean juniors should sit together, correct? So that means if all the juniors will sit together, suppose these are the 4 juniors, okay, and there are remaining 5 seniors, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, that means I can consider these as a single unit because anyway they are going to sit together, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means what is the total people? Total different or unique? 6. Yes or no?
Yes,
See,
sir.
these
Yes,
5
sir.
and 1 unit this. So this 6 I can arrange around a circular manner in how many ways? 5.
5 factorial into 4
Now,
factorial.
since all these 4 are going to sit together, but these 4 I can arrange among these 4. Yes or no? And arrangement of 4 people in how many ways I can do?
4 factorial.
And this is 120 and this is 24, which is nothing but
20.
28. So actually 2880 is the correct. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The last question is this. Just solve it. I think it's the very easiest one. Just solve it and let me know the answer. And then I think math session has been started.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is the last question. After that, we.
Sir, is it NP3 or N into
It's
P3?
a NP3, 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 and plus one P2. So anyone, do you need any time limit?
No need, sir.
No, sir.
533. Okay. Let's see the basically so numerator part will be NP3 and divided by n plus 1 P2. Okay. So you can see you have to just solve the this apply the formula and NP n plus 1 P2 which is nothing but half. So you have to just apply this. It will be n factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial, right? And denominator will be n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 minus 2 factorial. Yes or no? This is
Yeah.
half.
Yes, sir.
So basically, if you see, so I can write n factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial into this will be in the upper parts, it will be n minus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 factorial, right? So you have to
Yes, sir.
do just calculation. So you have to think basically this n minus 1, I can split n minus 1, n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. Yes or no? And this n plus
Yes,
1
sir.
I can write n plus 1 into n factorial which is nothing but half. So this will get cancel out, this will get cancel out. So I will be having this n minus 1, n minus 2 divided by n plus 1 equal to half, which I think this is the case. N minus 1. Okay, yes. So this n will get cancelled. I will be having n minus 1, n minus 2 divided by n plus 1 equal to half. So do I need to do the whole calculus or is okay with you? So basically, you to just do the numerator to multiplication. It will be n square minus
minus 3n.
minus 3n plus 2 into 2 equal to n plus 1, right? This 2 here basically. So
Yes, sir.
I will be having 2n square minus 6n plus 4 equal to n plus 1. This I can take left hand side. So I will be having 2n square minus 6n minus n plus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So it will be 2n square minus 7n plus 3 equal to 0. So if you will solve this, just do the solution. I mean, basically it will be 2n square minus 6n minus n plus 3. I can write down. Let me solve it itself. So 2n I can take common. It will be n minus 3 minus 1 I can take common. It will be n minus 1 3. So here I will get 2n minus 1 into n minus 3 equal to 0. So I will get two values from here. N is equal to half or n is equal to 3. Since n is a natural number, I will go for the 3. 3 is the answer. Is this clear?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Okay. So the very last slide is about thank you slide. Okay. So thanks all.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Sudhir. Please.
Sir, it's like I'm feeling difficulty in permutations and combinations.
Mm-hmm.
Can you say any tips, sir?
Okay. First of all, just one tip. I mean, regarding see, if you're going for the topics of permutation, combination, probability, and all right, the very
Sir.
first thing is the number of questions you are solving. Okay, try to solve more and more questions without seeing the answer first.
Sir, it's like I'm unable to solve the solution, sir, but after seeing solution, I can understand the solutions.
That's okay. That's okay. See, that is the something we can get. Thing is that see, that's EM. That's why we have embedded the EMQ to know the difference between okay, when in which scenario you will use. So first of all, see the difference when to use permutation and when to use the combination. If you are okay with permutation combination, right, you'll be able to solve the questions related to probability. That's the different part. Okay, when to use permutation? Tell me.
So when there is an arrangement or when the order is important.
Order matters. So that is something you have to think.
Yes,
If
sir.
order matters, you can use permutation, right? If order doesn't matter, just go for the combination. If there is something selection and all, okay, or simply go with the counting principle. See, anyway, counting principle will help you. See, rather than suppose I'm going to do 4p2, the same thing I can do 4 into 3.
Yes, I'm doing like that only, sir. But majority of the questions is not on based on the formula, sir. It's too difficult to.
See. Sometimes in the questions there will be cases where you think the cases like you can see the toy chocolate one, right? There I can use simply 6p3 without any condition. Okay, if
Yes.
condition is there, just go with the condition part, right? I try to just I mean the only thing I can say you have to do lots of questions. See, if toy and chocolate example you can take, then there was condition toy can get only two students. That means there is only two ways for A and F, something like that. Then chocolate can get any is A, C, or F. Here, sometimes we'll write three, but no, because you have to think one chocolate. I mean, one student already got the toy. That is again, I will have two. You have to actually consider all the cases. Okay, just do you any doubt in any AQ or practice?
Practice assignment, I'm feeling difficult, sir. But after seeing solution, I understood, but I'm unable to solve those questions at the first.
So it's good to Uday, it's good to go with without solution part. Okay, just solve it once. Okay, what you can do, just see. Okay, just write the answer. Okay, suppose you know just see the question, write the answer, not solution. See,
Okay.
try to attempt one and two times, whether your answer is matching or not. Suppose your answer, okay, first time your answer didn't match, and second time your answer got matched with the correct answer. Don't see, it's your with honesty whether you are seeing the solution or not, right? Just
Okay.
see the answer. If you're okay, then if your answer got matched, that means then you will be able to know the which approach. Suppose in the second approach you got the correct answer, then you will be able to differentiate with the first approach and the second approach. Okay, try
Yes.
to solve it. If you are not getting, post on discourse, sorry, discussion forum and all. Okay, we are there. Solve it. Just simply tell post. You can simply take picture. This is my approach. This was my approach. I had tried this. like where I'm making mistakes, something like that. Okay. So did you get the idea?
What's yes, I got the
Yeah,
ideas.
yeah,
I will practice a lot, sir.
yeah. If you are if you're getting any kind of difficulty, we are here. Okay, we are the active and discussion forum. There are TA session and all. You can ask in our sessions also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. Oh, okay.
Thanks, sir.
Anything else?
Thanks for your time,
Anybody?
sir.
Sir,
Yeah, yes, Chinmay.
I have few doubts in this question paper, sir. I have shared that in chat box.
Your question, doubt is question paper itself, right?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
sir. I have few
Mhm.
doubts in that question paper, sir. Like,
Okay, tell me.
if you can open it.
Yeah, go ahead. So there will be PYQ session. Don't worry. These papers and all we will discuss. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
In which question you doubt?
In second question, sir. Like, if you
Second
open it,
question. It's about whole numbers.
yeah, the whole number starting from 0 smaller than 10
Mhm.
raised to 4, which are following.
Okay. What was your approach?
At last, zero
The
should
whole,
be included. I don't know this. That one.
Yeah. Tell me what is the answer you are getting? See, it's about number of whole numbers starting from 0 is smaller than 10 raised to power 4, right? So 10 raised to power 4
yeah,
means it should be, I mean, 10,000, right?
yeah,
Correct.
10 is to,
So it should be smaller than that. That means all the four digits should be 9999, right?
right.
Correct. So you have to think before
Mm,
that number. You have to consider all the cases. Means it will
okay,
be
okay.
0 for the first place, right? See, for the first place,
Yeah,
what will the how many ways you can do? You can in how many ways you can fill?
the first place, sir.
Yes. Yeah, just tell. Yeah, someone was telling he has done, right? Can you tell him the your approach?
Yes, sir. Wait, sir. I'm seeing question again, sir.
So yeah, good, yeah. Yeah, can you tell me? See, okay, just can you think little bit?
So it's like I didn't
Mhm.
use any formula, like just think and I got the answer, sir.
Okay, whatever is there, can you tell me?
So it's like 10 power 4 means 10,000, no, sir. So after doing minus 1 from 0 to 4 nines, we need
Hmm.
to calculate all the digits, all the numbers which are including 9. So
9.
basically, from 1 to 100, so from 1 to 90, there will be 10 nines. And from 90 to again 99, we will have again so many nines. Similarly, we need to calculate up to 9,000, sir.
See, one more thing where if you see in the question, it is mentioned of which all the digits are distinct. Okay, so first at the first place, it can be 10, right?
Yes, sir. I mean, I said another answer. Yes, sir. Yes, I
Hmm.
understand. Yes, sir. Means
Are you getting Chinmay? See, uh,
Yeah,
see,
mm,
okay, see, it should be, I mean, all the digits should be different, first of all. Fine.
yeah, yeah, sir.
So, if you see the, see, um, whole, okay, it's about whole numbers, not about the decimal and all.
yes,
And
sir.
see, we have to do 0002 till, I mean, not about 000. It's about, see, you have to think all the whole numbers means for the one digit, digit, three digit, and four digit.
Up to 4 digits, sir.
Are you getting?
Yeah, yeah, that got it, sir. For whole number, sir, the number of whole numbers starting from 0 smaller than should be
No,
10,000.
smaller than.
see, we are talking about whole numbers. See, and
Yeah,
it's
0 to we are counting from 0.
correct. So then for zero, then I can take any of the 10, right? For the if we have only one digit.
Yeah.
If you have 2 digits, then you can take any of the two.
Yeah.
If you have 3 digits, then you can take any of the
3.
right.
So it's like first we need to form distinct 4 digit numbers, and then 3 digit numbers, and then 2 digit
Correct,
number,
correct, correct.
and
We
then
have to,
1 digit
yeah,
number. Yes,
yeah.
sir.
We have to think all
And
the
finally,
distinct.
we need to include 0, because we are counting numbers, not the digits of the numbers. So we need
And
to,
we have to add all the cases.
yes, sir. And we need to include 0 too, because as they
Correct.
said, whole numbers.
Yes. So, did you get the idea, Chinmay? Because it is asking about less than that. So less than that, 2 digit number can be smaller than that, right? And 3 digit numbers will be smaller than that. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Got
At
it?
last, it is confusing, sir. 0 about with respect to 0.
No, so 0 means we have to
Finally got answer, but at last we will get bit confused in the exam hall.
okay. Oh, I mean, could you repeat your last statement?
What, sir?
What did you say in the last? I didn't get your
Yeah,
point.
it means we will get confused with respect to 0 side. Means at last we need to add 0 or without 0. In exam hall, we will get confusion about it.
Sir, can you solve on the screen, like if you can write this the solution?
Okay, see, it's about whole numbers, right?
Yeah.
It is good too if you are trying. No worries.
Just we are including the whole number, and the number of the whole number starting from 0 is smaller than 10:4. Like the number should
See,
be less than.
I will tell you the approach, what you can try. Okay, just try. If you're not getting, we'll discuss. Okay, no problem. See, it's about starting from, you're saying the whole numbers, number of whole numbers starting from 0 is smaller than this, right? It's small, of which all the digits are distinct. That means,
Yeah.
if you say
Repetition not allowed.
repetition is not allowed, and that means, see, it can, we have to think 0 to 999 till 9, right? I
Yeah.
mean, basically all
Yeah.
are
Yeah. Sir.
distinct means 9 8. I mean, it can be something different, it can be all also. I mean, we have to think 0
Got
to
it. Like it
till
should
this.
not be 99,
Yeah,
Correct.
eighty-eight,
So
this is
first
probably
of all, what you
57,
have to think,
66,
in how
55.
many ways you can form the first digit number, because okay, then you have to add the case for digit numbers, then
Okay,
for
sir.
3 digit number, then for 4 digit number. Did you get it?
Okay.
That is something I'm trying to explain. So you have to do for first, then for these two, then for these three. Here you have to think when it should not repeat. Okay. Then for four, then add and see whether we are getting the answer. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Okay, Okay, just try it. If it's not getting, don't worry. We can discuss it. I mean, okay. See, I can solve it right now. I can tell you the answer itself right now. But
Yeah.
I want to just try on your own. I just told you the approach.
Okay.
What is the meaning of
Yeah.
that thing? Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
Okay then.
just
Yeah.
if you can just give me hint of for this question also, like the question number, page number 4, sir. I approach it in like this question, like how many nines are there in between 1 to 1000? Like there are basically 1 to 100. There are almost
Okay,
nine.
how many nines are there between 1 to 1000? So 1 to 1000, again you have to think for first place,
Yeah.
then
So
second place,
similarly,
then third place. I mean, first digit, second, see, 1 digit, 2 digit, digit, right? So basically,
Yeah.
you can see. So
So there are 19 till 1 to 100, na? Like
yes, basically we need to include all lines from 1 to 90, bro. And then from 90
See.
onwards, every
So
number is
it's
including
asking
9.
about on how many nines. So for the first 1 digit, it will be 19, right?
Yeah, similarly up to
yeah.
99.
Okay, one more thing you have to think. Okay, so about 1 2, it's not about 0. Similarly, it will be 1 9, 2 9, 3 9, something, right? So it will be something.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many numbers? 9, right?
Yes,
Like
sir.
yeah, sir.
Up
Then
to 90 less includes, sir. This means
yeah,
there will
similarly,
be
right?
10.
10.
Yes.
Then last thing, Yeah,
From
up to
90 to
90.
99 again 10 nines will be.
Correct.
10.
Then
So
there
20.
will be 99. Then similarly, think about three places. 9 can be here.
Last
Then
from 900, every number include nines. So 100 nines at
correct,
900.
correct, correct. Then
Yes.
just add all the cases. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I'm saying in permutation and combination, we have to think all the possible cases. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Anything else? We can wind up.
No,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thanks.